everyone, it's Nisha. So I have been sent Amazon Beauty Advent Calendar. So here it is, and you basically pull the boxes in order and the next one will drop down. So this box retails for £50 and is supposed to be 24 beauty products and deluxe samples from the brands we know and love. So skincare, makeup and stuff like that. So I thought I will unbox it all for you just in case you're thinking of getting one. Because it would be a lovely present, although Christmas present, do you give it at Christmas when you're supposed to open it before Christmas? I don't know. But you could buy it and you could split it up. Brilliant stocking fillers. So I thought I'd unbox it because you know what it's like with those calendars. You buy something but you don't really know what you're getting, the size of it and all that. So let me unbox it for you. It comes with this leaflet and shows you what you get in it. So it says, we hope you enjoy your beauty advent calendar featuring a selection of some of our favorite brands and products, and is supposed to have some full sizes and like a deluxe sample sizes in it. Yeah, it's got some nice stuff. Right, let's pull it out. I'm gonna pull it out so you can see it all. So this is day one. And this is Balance Me Hyaluronic Plumping Mist. So this looks like a deluxe sample size. So that's in your box number one. Then let's get number two. On a second day of Christmas. Oh, what's that? Find. Oh, so this is Amazon's own brand. Do they do makeup as well? Let's open it. Didn't know that Amazon does makeup. Eyeshadow quad. Really nice packaging. Look at that. It's beautiful. And this is 01. Oh, so it's all greys. No way. Oh my god. It feels really silky. They feel really silky. Obviously, you know, that means nothing till you put it on your eyes. But I mean, it's got a mirror. And this is so, so pretty. Right, so Amazon does makeup now, does it? Didn't know that. Okay, so that's what you get. So that was day second. On a third day of Christmas, you will get John Frieda Frizzy's Secret Agent Touch-Up Cream. I actually used to use this just on my ends. And this is like a big deluxe sample. I don't think this is full size. Or maybe this is full size. I don't know because it's only a styling product. So I can't really tell. But yeah. That's good stuff. I think this calendar retails for £50 and I think the value is 200 something pounds. Okay, on the fourth day of Christmas, oh look, and all the boxes are so pretty. Real Technique sponge. On a fifth day of Christmas, Amazon gave to me. Okay, this is full size. This is Strivectin Intense Eye Concentrate for wrinkles. You see, so far, this is all stuff that I would use. You know, sometimes in those beauty calendars, you get stuff and just two things are usable. The rest you think, I don't want it. Okay, on the sixth day of Christmas. Oh, L'Oreal Lip Tint Oil. Tinted lip oil in Sugar Plum. Oh, okay, it's just a lip oil, so you don't really see much color in it. I'm using that as well. On the 7th day of Christmas, Amazon gave to me the Sanctuary Spa Wet Skin Moisture Miracle. Oh no, this is a body lotion. This is not the in shower, but this is like a deluxe sample, I think. I'm sure moisturizers come in much bigger. Let's smell it. Oh, it smells lovely. I'll use that as well. On the 8th day of Christmas, Amazon gave to me, Biore, you know, the nose strips for removing your blackheads. Max can have that. And that's a proper full size. On the 9th day of Christmas, Amazon gave to me TG Bedhead Urban Antidote, and that is perfect for weak brittle hair that need an intervention. Oh, this is conditioner, so I wonder if there is a shampoo. Using that. And on the 10th day of Christmas, you get Simple Sensitive Skin Water Booster Hydrating Booster with mineral and plant extras. I quite like the Simple range. I use the makeup remover, eye makeup remover. Not mad at that. On the 11th day of, oh my god, is it 24 days? Oh, that will be something from Find again, the Amazon own brand. I'm gonna try this makeup. Don't know how much it is. Oh, a lip liner and liquid. It's called Shiny Lip Fluid. Let's swatch that. It's quite a nice color, like a watermelon. Yeah, lovely. More of a summery color. Nice. Okay, so that's the lip liner. It looks like it's a matching lip liner. Shall I swatch it? Yeah, it's a matching lip liner. Amazon is taking over the world, I think. Okay, so that was 11th day. Where is the 12th day? Oh, here. On the 12th day of Christmas, you get LMS Superfood Berry Boost Mask. That's generous sample, but this is quite expensive brand, LMS anyway. So I didn't expect them to put full size. Okay, on the 13th day of Christmas, you are getting collection Glam Crystals Face and Body Glitter. That can go in a stocking for my niece. So that was the 13th. On the 14th day of Christmas, Amazon gave to me Persian Reed Wonder Balm for your hair. Again, most of it seem to be, apart from the makeup and a couple of things, they like deluxe samples. Now, on the 15th day of Christmas, Rimmel Stay Satin Liquid Lip Color. It looks quite similar to that Amazon one, actually. Oh no, it's much brighter. There it is. I've never tried those. Smells nice. Stay Satin Liquid Lip Color. It's probably like a liquid lipstick. Okay, so that was the 15th day. Okay, where's the 16th? Oh, yes to tomatoes. Clear skin for all skin types. Detoxifying charcoal peel-off mask. Love masks. Use that. Do you think that's quite a good calendar? I think that's quite good. On the 18th day of Christmas, am I being annoying now? Oh, this is sleek and this is a blush in rose gold. I know that this is a beautiful blush in rose gold, so I'm having that. No one is getting these in stockings, it's all mine. Okay, on the 19th day of Christmas, oh, something else from Find. Shiny Lip Chubby Stick and Matte Chubby Stick. Oh, that's a lovely color, berry color, just for now. So that's the matte Chubby Stick. That's so good because I'm on makeup no buy and it feels like I just bought some makeup. And let's see the shiny. I wonder if it's the same color. No, it's different color. It's more of a, oh, it's actually really pretty. Having those. If any of my family is watching this, you're not getting any of it in your stocking. Just for you to go. On the 20th day of Christmas, Olay Eyes, Olay Illuminating Eye Cream for dark circles. We like Olay eye creams. Okay, on the 21st day of Christmas, oh, Wonder 2. I've heard of this brand, a 72 hours mascara. Lash extension stain mascara. Ooh, we like mascaras. Is it like a double one? No, it's just the one. Oh, we'll have to try that, but then do I want to have my mascara on for 72 hours? Does that mean it doesn't wash off? Extra black up to 3-day wear. But who wants that? Have to research this. I mean, who goes to bed with mascara? Or is it maybe, oh, maybe it sort of dyes your eyelashes, so even if you take it off, your eyelashes still stay dark, almost as if you tinted them. Well, I'll try it and I'll let you know, because I'm having that as well. Okay, on a 22nd, lashes. I love lashes, definition in number 129. They actually look quite nice. Now on the 23rd day of Christmas, we get e.l.f. tinted lip oil, and that's quite nice nude color. I'm not going to take it out right now, so I think this video is already long enough. And on the last day of Christmas, better be something amazing. What is that? Oh, the little Foreo. You know the ultrasonic face cleanser. It's very small. You know those Foreos? Luna Play, this is called. The tiny but mighty T-Sonic facial cleansing device. I suppose that's quite nice to take on holiday, because my Clarisonic is quite big, so I could take that. That's really nice. I've missed one, and in that one there was Garnier Micellar cleansing water, 100 ml. That's really good, like to take traveling with you. So I've missed one somehow. It was very confusing. Okay, my lovely, so that's all. What do you think? I think I'll be quite happy if I got that as a present, you know, because everything in here is usable and nice, from brands that we know and love. Okay, So that's what you get in the Amazon Beauty hamper. I will leave you the link down below if you want to purchase it. Let me know your thoughts on it. It wasn't a hamper, it was an advent calendar. I don't think I've ever actually bought an advent calendar of any kind. I was trying to buy one from Charlotte Tilbury's, I think, maybe last year, and they've sold out. I can't remember. Anyway, that's what you get. I hope you enjoyed this and found it helpful if you were thinking about buying it. Thank you so much for watching and happy Christmas. Bye.